Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick and super useful tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to paste data into multiple cells at once in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself needing to fill or duplicate information faster across your spreadsheet, whether you're organizing data for a project or simply speeding up your daily workflow, this video is for you. By the end of these few minutes, you'll know two easy ways to paste into multiple cells, including one that lets you skip spaces between pasted data. So let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about pasting into a block of cells all at once. Imagine you've got some data in one cell, maybe it's a label like complete or a specific value you want to repeat. Start by clicking on the cell that contains the information you want to copy. One click highlights that cell. Why start here? Well, this is where your data comes from, so Google Sheets needs to know exactly what you want to duplicate. Now go ahead and copy it. Either right-click and select Copy, or hit Ctrl+C on your keyboard if you love shortcuts. Now here where the magic happens, head over to where you want to paste that data. But don't just select one spot. If you want to fill multiple places at once, click into a blank cell, and then with your mouse still pressed down, drag across however many neighboring cells you want to highlight. Think of it like painting a row or a box of cells. All of these are going to receive the copied data. This step is super handy for when you need to fill a whole column or even a grid with the same entry much faster than pasting into each cell individually. Once you've highlighted the range you want, just go ahead and paste. Use right-click and paste, or simply Ctrl+V instantly. Google Sheets will fill each selected cell with the data you copied. You just saved yourself a ton of clicks. But what if you only want to paste into specific cells that aren't next to each other? For example, maybe you want to label only certain rows as priority, and those rows are scattered around your sheet. That's totally possible too with a trick that makes use of the Control key. This might be new to some of you, so don't worry if it's your first time trying it. Here how it works, start again by copying your source cell. Now instead of dragging over a block, hold down the Control key on your keyboard. While holding it, click each individual cell where you want to paste in the data. Maybe it's cell A2, A5, and A9, just click on each one and you'll notice they all get selected. This is really helpful when you want to leave spaces, almost like hand-picking which boxes need to be filled. Once you've selected all your target cells, simply release the Control key and paste. All the chosen cells will now have your copied information. And remember, it might take a couple tries to get used to this shortcut if you haven't done it before, so don't stress if you miss a cell, just try again and soon it'll feel second nature. And that's all there is to it. Whether you need to fill a big block quickly or target just a few cells, pasting into multiple spots in Google Sheets really can level up your spreadsheet game. If you found this walkthrough helpful, don't forget to click like and drop a comment below if you have any questions or if there's another Sheets trick you'd like to see. And of course, subscribe for more straightforward, practical tutorials just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.